Okay, well, let's filter by text a few very basic, simple examples, but hopefully you'll find something new for you too. Okay, here's my data sample, and this has some text, and they repeat, and they have numbers, and I want to filter, and I want to filter by West. I'll create a new filter. Select this and this, where column A equals West, and also I can do it if I refer to a cell. I'll make another column here, free column, and put text West here, and I'll color it in yellow just to show users that you can edit this cell, and I can make a reference to this, so nothing special here, but look at this. I create West, nothing changes. I create West with this T uppercase in there, nothing changes. And also I can add fancy drop-down list with data validation if I create list from range, reject bad input, and create a range A2, I guess, 1000. Okay, and now click save, and I'll get West, South, East, and I can click and select them. It's really fast and easy, and create a report with drop down. And now it looks beautiful because it looks like something interactive which you can play with. Okay, and now I want to also show you exact. The same function, but it will be exact, I guess. Exact, something like that. Exact string 1 equals string 2. What is exact? Exact A to A should be equal to D, like that. So, okay, we'll play with it now. 2000 East and West, and everything is just the same, but now I'll put West lowercase. I cannot do it because of our drop downs, but I'll clear data validation. You can do it the same way, just remove validation here, and now I can print anything I want. You see, lowercase West now doesn't work, West T doesn't work, this formula works, but exact formula does not work because it is also case sensitive, and just in case you need case sensitive text filter, use this exact function.